Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and happy Sunday as well. So, it is Sunday. I'm making this video on a Sunday evening. So, I wish you all a happy Sunday. I'm sorry, my voice is a little bit cracked. So, I have catarrh, so it's affecting my throat. So, I'm so sorry for that. So, to my lovely subscribers, I welcome you all. So, I will always mention those people who always view without subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel. I also welcome you all. So today I'll be making aloe vera and white onion. So white onion is a little bit mild. So I decided to be trying it to be seeing what is going to be given to me on her hair. So I decided to be trying a white onion. Though red onion is a little bit more effective, but they really offer the same benefit. But I think the red one is a little bit yeah, active, but you never can tell. So I decided to be trying the white onion and aloe vera. So that is exactly what I applied on her hair. If you've been wondering, what did I just applied on her hair? So this is what I applied on her hair. So after applying it, I make sure I give her a little massage. So on this process, so let's just get started. This is aloe vera. This aloe vera is over. This aloe vera that you're seeing here is fully strong, as in it's mature. It might be a little tiny, but the aloe vera is very mature. So I think the nature has cheated the aloe vera. But the aloe vera will not stop giving me what the benefits I'll be needing in it. So this is my white onion, as you can see. So I will start by chopping up my onion like this. Since I'm not using a blender, so I'm going to be using a hand mortar. That is the reason why I am chopping it this way. So that is the reason why I'm chopping it this way. So that is going to be very easy for me, and that is going to be very easy for me to pound. So you can see the white onion I am using. So go ahead if you want to use a red onion. So go ahead to do that. For me, I decided to be using this white onion. So I just want to be saying the what this red white onion is going to be giving me, because as a content creator like me, so I'll be doing so many research to see whether this is going to be giving me a different thing, though it offers the same thing. But for me, I have a doubt, because this one, the white onion, is more bitter than the red onion. You understand? So this white onion is very mild, and the other one is a little bit harsh. So when cooking these two onions, this one is bitter in cooking, while the other one is sweet. So that is why I said, let me be trying this one on her hair. Let me see if this one is going to be giving another different thing on her hair. So you can see when I added the aloe vera. So I didn't remove the back of the aloe vera, because I still believe that the back of aloe vera is still going to be giving another different thing entirely. So I pounded the both together. Guys. You see all these things I'm doing to her hair? All these natural things, herbs, they really work. For me to be decided to be pounding aloe vera leaf, the back together with the inner, you know that I am really carried away for herbs, because since I started Since I started applying herbs on her hair, my girl's hair have been growing back to back. Like her hair have been growing back to back. Like, need to see the length of her hair. Like me, I am very, very surprised. Like, I didn't even know her hair would be up to this length. Like, the more I apply herbs on her hair, the more fuller her hair becomes, the more longer her hair becomes. So, it is giving me what I want. Herbs is really giving me what I want. Especially this aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very powerful herbs. So don't doubt it. Don't downgrade aloe vera. Aloe vera is going to organize your hair. Aloe vera is going to is so it's going to reduce if you're a patient, you're suffering from hair breakage. By the time you start using aloe vera on your hair, aloe vera is going to seal up that hair that is always breaking. It's going to reduce it because aloe vera is highly effective in natural hair care routine. So in your hair care routine, if you're always using aloe vera, if you're always using aloe vera in your hair care routine, you will see that your hair has stopped breaking. Unnecessary breaking, aloe vera is going to seal it up. It's going to seal it up. So you're going to notice your hair has stopped breaking. So aloe vera is going to stop itching on your scalp. It will deeply cleanses oily oily hair and strengthening the strands to reduce breakage. It was like I told you, it's going to be strengthening your hair strands, and it in fact is going to double your strands of your hair. For those people who always have a tiny hair, by the time you start applying aloe vera on your hair, so you're going to see changes. Like, I don't lie to you, you're going to see changes. So start doing this to your hair. Be consistent in it. Like, be consistent in it. You're going to see wonders. So aloe vera is going to promote your hair growth and reduce breakage by nourishing the hair follicles and keeping the scalp healthy. It promotes a stronger hair, which can reduce breakage, like I told you guys. So it's a very powerful one. So guys, I'll be stopping here. So I beg you, my wonderful viewers that always view my video without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel. So to keep this channel moving, you understand? So keep my channel moving. Subscribe to my channel. To my lovely subscribers, I love you all. So I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Another thing, please don't forget to share my video. Share my video so that it's going to be reaching to those wonderful people who are interested to watch the video. So guys, also like, comment to keep this channel active. I love you all. Bye bye.